Welcome. Today we are going to see KalaChasma in step by step. Okay? Come. First up, just sit like this. Half sit. Okay? Half sit and fold your hands. Just hide your face. Now open your right hand. One. This is one. Two. Now hit. See. Three. Four. Okay? Two times. See. Three. Four. Have to stand like this. Diagonal. Okay? One more. We'll see one more. From here. Half sit. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So before this step, how we are going to start like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just shake. Okay? Hide your face and shake. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? One more. We'll see one more. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? Now we are going to next step. See. From here, tap your right leg. See. Tap, hand. Hit. Don't fold your elbows. Hit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? See. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? One more. Ready? Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just twist inside. Okay? See. 1. Okay? 1, 2, pull. 3, 4. Okay, we'll see one more. Ready? From here, 1. Do like this. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will see full step. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? Now from here, we are going to next step. See. 1, 2, 3, 4. You just swing. Just swing. Take your right leg and 1, 2, 3, 4. See? Legs. Okay? From here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? One more. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? From here, you have to point. See. 1, 2, 3, 4. See the legs. Okay? So, we finished here. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And do little wave. See. Okay? Let's see one more. Ready? From here, we finished here now. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Just keep your hand here. One more. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? From here, we're going to next step. See. Hold, pull. Just bend. Left, pull. Hold, pull. Hold, pull. Hold, pull. Hold, pull. Okay? From here, we did here. We finished here now. We finished here now. From here, hold, pull, hold, pull. Okay, we'll see from beginning. From here, just sit opposite. Hide your face. 1, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, is it clear? Okay. Now we're going to see in music.